An owl can swoop right past you, and you won't hear a thing. Why? Their feathers are like sound silencers. The air around their wings has special edges that break up the turbulence and cancel out the noise. So their wings basically work like a stealth bomber. But instead of feathers, it's nature's way of saying shh, which is why you should follow for more nature facts. Owls are masters at what they do because their prey never hears them coming. That's right. You can get super close to an owl, and if it doesn't see you, you're basically invisible. But don't get too close. They might swoop at you like this guy did to his unsuspecting victim. These birds of prey have incredible eyesight. They can see really well in low light, and they can see a mouse from more than a mile away. And when they're ready to strike, they fly silently through the air and snatch their meal out of nowhere.